Hi, welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today we're going to be cooking some chicken tenders in the air fryer. First I want to show you how to de-tendon, to take that tendon out of the middle of your chicken strips. So basically I take a paper towel and I just grab the tendon with it because they're kind of slimy. And then stick your fork in kind of all the way, hold the tendon and just slide it down. Ooh, and that's that slimy piece. So let's try another one. Okay, so I'm just going to, with the paper towel, grab the top of the tendon, place the fork all the way in, and just, whoops, I got my paper towel, slide it, whoop, hold on to that little slimy thing, it will get away from you, and then just slide it down, and it takes it right out of your chicken tender. I'm just going to do some real simple chicken tenders in the air fryer. I'm going to, in my cup, I have a half a tablespoon of butter and some minced garlic. I'm just going to melt this in the microwave. While the butter melts, I'm just going to season both sides of the chicken tenders with salt and pepper. I'm going to brush the garlic butter on both sides. I've already brushed it on one side. Both sides of the chicken tenders. And then in one pan of the air fryer, just going to place them right in the bottom. I'm not going to have, it's non-stick, so I'm not using any oil other than the butter that's already on them. I'm not going to place it on a grilling rack or anything, just straight on the bottom of the pan. Pretty simple. So in the air fryer, in the first bin, air fry it. Let's 390, and you can do 375. I'm going to do 390 for 12 minutes. And then 6 minutes in, and you can do it for 6 minutes, and then when it goes off, you can come back and flip them. So I'm going to just go ahead and do 12 minutes and come back and turn them over halfway through. Okay, let's take it out and check it out. Yum, juicy, crispy chicken tenders. Now, of course, if you put more chicken in it, you would increase the cooking time, not the heat. So I'm just going to place it on my plate, and I have 3 chicken tenders here. So it looks delicious, ready to go. I'm going to eat it with fresh broccoli and cheese, but I've made it this way, and I've used it and seasoned it like a fajita or a chicken sandwich in a wrap. You can use it for a grilled chicken salad, but quick, easy, very juicy, very delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.